Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email responses with G Suite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon to access settings. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Find the option labeled Templates. Click on the Enable Radio button. Scroll down and click on Save Changes to activate templates. Next, go to the Compose section by clicking on the Compose button. Create a new email message with your desired response text. In the email window, click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Select Templates from the menu. Hover over Save Draft as Template and then choose Save as New Template. Name your template for easy identification. Now, let's set up an automatic response using Google Scripts. Open Google Drive and click on the New button. Select Google Apps Script from the drop-down. In the script editor, delete any existing code in the code window. Copy and paste the following code: function auto reply, var threads equals gmail app.search is one read, var template equals your template message goes here, threads.forEach function, thread. Save the script by clicking on the disk icon in the top left corner. Name your project something recognizable, like Auto Email Reply. Next, click on the clock icon in the toolbar to set a trigger. Choose Add Trigger in the bottom right corner. Select the function name as Auto Reply. Set the deployment to head and choose the event source as time-driven. Select how. Click Save and authorize the necessary permissions. Close the App Script tab. You've successfully set up automated email responses in G Suite. Now, whenever you receive a new email, the system will automatically reply using your template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.